welcome to the channel. I know I've been a really bad YouTuber. I'm sorry. Thank you for bearing with me. Today we have got this look right here, which is like a 10-minute glam. It's going out running for errands, it's the Zoom meetings, it's something quick but easy and makes you look A1 put together. If you've got a job interview, stuff like that, this is the makeup that I would do. So if you are with me, girl, come on, let's get into it. When I tell you I've been an absolutely shit YouTuber, ugh, listen, you know what it is, girl? Sometimes you just are fed up of stuff, and that is me. Anyway, we're gonna get into this real quick tutorial because I'm not really feeling like wearing makeup. I just want to kind of go out and present, look presentable. So I've got my FloRiff mirror merch coming soon. I'm just working out where I want to put it. Right, so I've done my brows already. You see my tutorial on this. So gonna do a quick little tutorial. So going in with my concealer, we're going underneath the brows. And this is just going to be that look for, like, say if you're running late for work, you need to just quickly step out, but you don't want to look too, you know, done up. This is what I do, basically. So just going along the brows with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You know I love this. I'm just shaping my brows. Guys, the two bits of the front of my hair have snapped off, so that's the reason why we've got this pushing back on my head. Just gonna buff this out, and I'm gonna go in with an eye primer, which is the Morphe eye primer. Such good eye primer, guys. It's £10, so really recommend that one. Stays on as well all day. Right, here it is. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit, pea-sized amount on both eyes. So yeah, how have you guys been? I'm so sorry it's been 2 weeks. You know, I just didn't feel like doing any YouTubes, to be honest. It takes a lot of time, YouTube, a lot of editing time as well, and I think I've just got to get into the schedule of that, and I'm going to try and do my vlogs as well. I'm just kind of structuring myself because I'm a bit behind on things, and I just don't like to be behind, so you know. On to I don't know why I just did that. Hold on 1 second because I need to get my bronzer. Oh god. So I'm using my favorite. It's the Maybelline City bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Cool, which is 300. So I'm going to use this literally on my lid. Now basically, using bronzer as an eyeshadow is the best way if you don't feel comfortable with eyeshadows, you don't know what colours suit you, things like that. Just use your bronzer, and trust me, it will transform any look. Same as if like you're on holiday and stuff. I kind of do this glam if I'm on holiday too. Not so much with the brows, like the concealer and stuff, but if I'm on holiday and I want to wear some makeup, I put this on. I've also got on my skin SPF, but it's tinted SPF, and it's the Ultra Sun one. I love this because it gives your skin such a nice glow, but it looks like you've got something on your skin too. So I mix that, and I'm about to use a foundation as well. But anyway, so this is what I do. I just use a blending brush, blending it all over. Look how good that is. Good to go. Then I go in with my Lottie London eyeliner, and I actually go underneath my lash line, so underneath here and all the way across. Now this is so your eyes look a bit more defined. I don't know if you can see here compared to this one, but it just gives you a bit more without you having to put a liner on. So we're trying to keep it like natural, but still like you've kind of made an effort. This is like basically my literal no makeup. And if you get scared of doing it underneath the eye, just grab another pencil and just hold your lashes like this and then draw underneath. Super easy, guys. No stress, no stress. I'm going in with the It Cosmetics. Well, first of all, I'm actually using my eyelash curler and I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. And yes, I will be using a really natural lash for this look too. We're gonna look like we've just got eyelash extensions on and just curl them lashes. And what I do is I curl them and then I'm using some lash serum, and actually my lashes have got way longer, and I use like one little coat on the lashes, on my actual lash, just one little coat, because I am going to put lashes on, you see, but this prepares them for the lash. These are the kind of lashes you want. Now, I don't know if you can see. Yes, these are my brand, so sorry, it's going to be so annoying until they come out. They are coming out, but these are them. So I've cut them shorter, but I have got short lashes for you guys. So 3/4 length lashes. So they look like this, really feathery, really cute, right? Thin band, you can't see the band, nothing like that. Pop them on with some glue. Glue. Honestly, guys, I've been going crazy out here. Whack the glue on, whack it on, and just let it go tacky, obviously, and then just apply them. Now you're going to see the difference that this makes, and this is so perfect for, like, do you know if you've got like Zoom job interviews, Zoom interviews, things like that, and you need to just like quickly whip something up, this is the best way. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? This one looks so much more open, and that's why I love to use a lash. So these lashes are amazing because they look super natural and they flare out at the end, so it kind of makes any kind of natural eye makeup work. Or if people don't like bigger lashes, these are just perfect for that. Look at that, love it. Skin is key to this, so I'm going to use the MAC strobe cream. I've got a little sample of this one here, and I use a tiny amount on the tops of my cheekbones. Oh my gosh. I use this all the time if I'm going away on holiday, and I just do it here and here as well in the middle. Look at that. How nice does your skin look with that on? So you can just have this on, or if you want to put it here you can. Yeah, love it. So then gonna go in with my stippling brush and my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, my MAC Face and Body. Now I put this on top of my tinted moisturizer. You could just wear your tinted moisturizer if you wanted to, but I want something a tiny bit more covering as well. So I just go in and blend this all over. This is my errand makeup. You know, when you've got to run those errands, girl. You've got to run those errands. Or if someone's trying to ask me for a Zoom, I do that too. I'm like, I'm not trying to wear all my best foundation on a Zoom. Who's trying to do that for me to just wipe it off? And if you have any pimples, use a concealer that is the same shade as your skin tone, and use the Maybelline eraser one. I've just run out of mine, my actual skin tone color, which really annoys me. So you can also just use the concealer as well as foundation if you want to, but I personally like this because I think it gives a really nice dewy effect. Now going in to my concealer, so I use two, so I'm using the Maybelline Eraser under the eye, and I use it here too, here as well, and here. And if I want to snatch up my eye, then I go in with the L'Oreal Infallible, and that shade is slightly too light for my skin. Let it marinate, and then I just blend it out along the bridge of the nose as well. Oh, I just love concealer, is just amazing. Look at that. Oh, I look awake. And honestly, this will take you like literally 5 minutes. You just gotta do it. I'm obviously explaining it to you, so it's taking me a bit longer, but it will take you like 5 minutes. Don't even sweat it. Then just go in with the L'Oreal, go in here, bring it out, snatch it out. And then I use the smaller brush. I use the smaller brush and just blend it outwards. Do the same. And then just go on the bridge of the nose again and the top of the Cupid's bow. Tiny bit here if you want to. And just bringing it out. And once you brought it down slightly, I then just blend it out with the stippling brush so it blends a bit more.
No, it's from creation. I told them no, it's from creation. Bam bam, ayo, what a bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, ayo, what a bam bam, ta what a bam bam. This woman never trouble no one.
And then you just look highlighted. Oh, love it. Now if you want to do a bit of a kind of, you want to set it slightly, just go in with a tiny bit. Now this is the Morphe Brightening Pink powder, and this is incredible, but go in with a small blending brush and literally just dab underneath and slightly bring it down, and that's it. That's if you want to, if you want a slight kind of, you want some slight powder underneath your eyes, but you really don't need to. But honestly, oh, this is amazing, guys. So when you actually want to do full glam, this is going to give you that brightening under eye. So this is the Brightening Pink one. Grabbing my cream contour palette, so dipping into the darker shade, just along the cheekbone here and just up here. And the same on this side. Just push the product upwards. Now you can leave it at that if you want to just have it as creams, but for me personally, I get quite oily, so I will put some powder on, so some powdered bronzer, but you can leave it like that. And also your jawline, don't forget. And then just a bit on the tip of the nose, just a tiny bit, because we're not going to fully carve out the nose. Contour the nose. Oh, love it. Now grabbing a bronzer, the City bronzer again. Going in with my fluffier brush first, just underneath the jawline to quickly do it. And you can bring some down here. You know, it depends what you're wearing. And then my angled brush going in to the top, depending if you want to hide your forehead like I do. And here. Go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's like a powdered foundation, and I just mix everything together, just going over where I've placed the bronzer, because I want to make sure it looks even. And then I go in with my favorite RCMA powder, translucent, and I just put this in the areas where I get oily, and it will immediately mattify it. So this is perfect. Now for me personally, I like to add a lip liner. That's just what I do. So I add the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner.
That's what we do, fooling around. We be fooling around, we be fooling around, but I'm not the fool.
To be honest, this is my favorite go-to lip liner. And I just bring it on the inners. Mix it like that. And then I use the Lottie London lip oil in the clear. And I put that on the middle, not forgetting a blush. This is the new blush from Marisa Beauty and it's called Malibu Sunrise. Now I am obsessed with this blush. Look at the color here. I know it looks slightly pale, but it comes out so nice. So I'm just going to mix this together, and this is perfect for, you know, a natural blush. Oh, look at that, it's so nice. And I just bring it all there. You can bring it over the nose slightly. Oh my god, I just love this blush. I think it's so beautiful. Look at that, it's such a natural colour. Perfect. Okay, I just love it. It's absolutely stunning on the face. Look at that. Now, what I do tend to do as well is just grab my mascara again, just to make sure that my lashes are working with these falsies, and I just press like this. Now, if you want to, you can put a bit of eyeshadow under the lash line. So I'm just going to use a bit of the bronzer and using my square brush, and I'm just going to put a tiny amount underneath the waterline. You'll see it's like so small you won't even notice it, but it does make a bit of difference. So that is that. Perfect. Okay guys, this is that look. I'm just going to switch up my hair and I'll be back. I'm done. This is what it is right now. The two bits that my hair have in the front of my hair have broken off. Girl, I know. So this is actually the only hairstyle that I can do right now. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Anyway, this is my go-to look for running errands. Just kind of 10-minute quick makeup. You guys can do it. Seriously, it's super easy. Just get used to doing it and you'll fly by. There's no liner, there's nothing. It's good to go. So let me know in the comments if you like this. It's so good to see you guys. Thank you so much for bearing with me. I'll be back with another video. I love you guys so much and take care.